Hello friends, another day of Business Central 2023 Wave 2 preview. I looked at the release plan for Wave 2 and I discovered a few things and I want to share with you. The first one is, so first of all, these are under the development. First is hover over label variable to see the text string value. I've got here a page extension where the only code is just a message statement displaying the hello world message. As you can see, as I hover over the label, it shows me what the value of the label is, which in the past was not possible. The way we would have done it in the past, I would have gone to go to definition and then I would read from here what the static value of the label is. So this is the first thing. It's easier for us now to see the text string associated with the label. The second thing is, and let me bring up the documentation. The second thing is you can now set new output folder for storing apps. Why do we need a special folder for output apps? You can have workspaces with 1, 2, 3, 5 or even more projects, and when compiled each one produces its own app, and if you want to distribute those apps, then you would have to go through all the folders and collect all the apps. Whereas with this snippet in settings.json, we can create all the app files in one place. And if I look at my settings.json, as you can see, I have here the output folder instruction, and also as you can see, I did compile and there is no app.json. But if I go actually into my ctemp apps, I can see my my app file. And so that's the second thing, projecting your app files into a folder outside of your project. If you're trying to put the folder inside your project, it's gonna act funny. It's going to create double folders. I tried it, and but it's not meant to be. This out folder is not meant to be inside your. Meant to accumulate all the apps for many projects. And the last thing is about this settings.json settings. I found, I'm on Twitter and I follow a few smart guys, and I've seen mentioning about a tweet mentioning about a cool and clean way of indent. The two guys that I've seen tweeting about the snippets on settings.json are Catalin, MPIT, and Jeremy Visca. Thank you guys. That's a nice tip. I'll keep that code handy. Thanks. And as you can see, these vertical lines have this color. Actually, that's not really the nicest color. Let's make it purple and save. And we can see the vertical lines have a different color. Plus that we can have the indentation here, public, in as 30, but we can make it even 50. and it shows nice in a nice tree structure. This is it. That's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.